Are you looking to live stream on platforms like Facebook and YouTube and LinkedIn and Twitter all at the same time? Well, you are in the right place, my friend. My name is Andrea Jones. I'm a social media strategist, and I'm about to share my screen and show you how I use a lovely tool called Restream to be all of the places at the same time. Here we go. All right, so when you first log into Restream, you're going to have to connect your channels. You can see that I already have mine connected here, but I want to show you quickly how you can connect them. You're going to click Add Channel at the top here, and you can see there's a lot of different options. They do have the big ones down here, so typically if you're connecting Facebook, that's right here, like a Facebook group or page. But you can do things like your personal Facebook profile, LinkedIn, Daily Motion, YouTube, Twitch, Periscope, and a bunch others. But I already have mine connected, so I'm going to go back. The second thing I do is update titles. You can do this later, but I like to do this now. So before I schedule a live stream, I just go ahead and add the title. So today I'm doing a LinkedIn wrap-up challenge, and I'll usually add the description here as well. All right, so I have my description here, so title, description. Then I'm going to go ahead and update everything. All right, so the titles have updated on all of the channels, and this is really helpful, especially if you're just going to go live in the moment. But what I'm going to do is actually schedule my live. So on the left-hand side of the screen, I'm going to click the Events button. And I'm going to go ahead and schedule an event, and I'm going to schedule a live stream. Now you can schedule a pre-recorded video, and I've done this in the past with past live streams that already went live, but I'm going to schedule this and update the title and description again. Again, you can do this at this step as well too, and skip the first step if you'd like. All right, and then I'm going to set the date and time. So this is going to be on the 30th at 11 a.m. Now you do want to upload an image at this stage. You can design an image, so you can create one in something like Canva. The size is 1200 by 720p, but I'm just going to upload a photo of myself. As you're uploading the photo, it is going to ask if you want to crop it, and I do. So I'm going to crop this one since this is a little bit of a celebration that we're throwing this little live streaming party. So once you're done with this, you can click next, and it'll ask which channels you want it to be on. So if there's any of these channels that you have connected, but you don't necessarily want to live stream there, you can toggle this off. For this particular event, I'm going live everywhere. So I've got YouTube, my Facebook page, the Facebook page of the Savvy Social School, our members only group, Facebook group for the Savvy Social School, my LinkedIn, and Periscope, though depending on when you're watching this video, Periscope may no longer be a thing. And I'm clicking Create Event. And there you have it. The event is scheduled. Now, if you want to get the link for the event itself and see how it looks on the various channels, you can click on the little buttons below your scheduled event. So I clicked on the YouTube one just as an example. And you can see here is the photo I uploaded. You can see the title, the date that it's scheduled for, along with the description that I pasted in here. You can do that for the other channels as well. And if you need to see them all, you can also click on the edit option and view all of these here as well. So if I wanted to view the LinkedIn one as another example, I'm just going to click on LinkedIn and it'll show up like this on LinkedIn here. At the time of your live, what you want to do is click Enter Live Studio And from there, you can live stream. I'll create a follow-up video on how to do live streaming and some of the in-studio features of Restream coming up soon. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found that helpful. I'm going to put the link to Restream in the description below this video. Definitely check it out. Try it out for yourself. Let me know how it goes. Also, make sure you subscribe. I've got more tutorials coming at you soon. Bye for now.